Hi everyone! Today, we're solving a fun 4x4 Sudoku puzzle, medium level. Don't worry if you're new because I'll guide you step by step until we solve it together. Let's go! First, let's quickly remember the rules of a 4x4 Sudoku. We only use numbers 1 to 4. Each row must have 1, 2, 3, and 4 with no repeats. Each column must have 1, 2, 3, and 4 with no repeats. And each 2 by 2 box must also contain 1, 2, 3, and 4 with no repeats. Now, let's have this next step. Now, let's look at what you already have. In row 1, we have 4 and 2. In row 3, we already have 4. And in row 4, we have 4, 2, and 1. Great! That gives us some clues. Now, let's solve row by row. We have row number 1, or the top row. Row 1 already has 4 and 2. The missing numbers are 1 and 3. Let's check column 1. It doesn't have 1 or 3 yet, but column 1 in row 4 already has 1. So we cannot put 1 in row 1, column 4. That means row 1, column 1 is equal to 1. Then the last empty cell in row 1 must be 3. So row 1 becomes 1, 4, 2, 3. Now let's have bottom row. We have row number 4. Row 4 has 4, 2, 1. Only 3 is missing. So row 4 is now 4, 2, 3, 1. Now, let's observe the rows and columns. Let's start with the ones that are easier to fill in. In column 3, we already have 2, 4, and 3. That means the missing number is 1. Looking at box number 2, we already have 2, 3, and 1. That means the missing number is 4. So we have 2, 3, 1, and 4. Now, looking at the box number 4, we already have 4, 3, 1. Or in column 4, we have 3, 4, and 1. That means the missing number is 2. In this box, we have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we only have 4 missing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's try to solve this by observing the rows and columns. In column number 2, we already have 4 and 2. In row 2, we already have 1 and 4. So the missing number here is 3. In this column, we already have 4, 3, and 2. That means the missing number is 1. So we now have 4, 3, 1, and 2. In this row, row number 2, we already have 3, 1, and 4. That means the missing number is 2. Now in this row, row number 3, we already have 1, 4, and 2. That means the missing number is 3. Now we've completed the full puzzle, and that's how you solve a 4x4 Sudoku step by step. If you enjoyed solving this puzzle with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.